Hello, kids. Welcome to Learn with Fun. Hello, kids. Let's learn some colors: brown color, sky blue color, violet color, pink color, yellow color, red color, lavender color, dark green color. A for arrow. B for belt. C for car. D for drum. E for eagle. F for fox. G for gold. H for honey. I for island. J for jelly. K for kiwi. L for lizard. M for mouse. N for nail. O for onion. P for pen. Q for quarter. R for robot. S for shark. T for table. U for unicorn. V for vegetable. W for wolf. X for Xerox. Y for yam. Z for zip. Let's learn English small letters. Small A for arrow. Small B for belt. Small C for car. Small D for drum. Small E for eagle. Small F for fox. Small G for gold. Small H for honey. Small I for island. Small J for jelly. Small K for kiwi. Small L for lizard. Small M for mouse. Small N for nail. Small O for onion. Small P for pen. Small Q for quarter. Small R for robot. Small S for shark. Small T for table. Small U for unicorn. Small V for vegetable. Small W for wolf. Small X for Xerox. Small Y for yam. Small Z for zip. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z. Small letters A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z. Subscribe.